Good day, everyone. By the way, I'm Norma V. Kaingin. Today, I'm going to tackle about the rope and pole display board. So, what is rope and pole display board? It is a type of conventional or non-digital instructional materials. This board consists of two parallel horizontal poles tied loosely together with rope. Visual ideas such as a poster can be printed to the rope. So this kind of display board is invaluable where there are few solid walls for display information. It has no solid backing and can be made quickly for teaching, training, and when working with communities. Guidelines when designing conventional instructional materials or non-digital materials. First is unity. Use only the ideas for its visual aid and include headlines. Second is simplicity, meaning make ideas and relationships simple and easy to recall. Avoid cluttering a visual aid with too many words, too numbers, and graphics. The audience should be able to grasp the concept in 10 to 15 seconds. And the third is legibility. Make letters big and readable for all in the audiences. And fourth is consistency, meaning use the same type of style and art style. Then fifth is clarity. Avoid type that is too small to read and avoid all caps. And the materials that we need to use when we are going to make a rope and pole display board is the instructional materials when we are going to teach or train or work with the community. First is we need a mark pin, cartolina, pictures of object that you are going to give an information, and we need also the construction paper and glue, and the most important is the rope and the scissors and clip. And that's all about the rope and pole display board. And in the picture you can see that that's the example of a rope and pole display board. That's all, and thank you for watching.